Okay, welcome back. And I created a few examples for the next tutorial we're covering. I want to try as much as I can to create short tutorials so that you can learn faster. And so what we're dealing with is the adjacent sibling selector. And what I did now, I just created the HTML. This is the header tag. This is paragraph tag, 2 paragraph, and this is the UL tag, and this is another paragraph tag. So what I want to do is to teach the sibling. What is it? What is a sibling? A sibling is actually a direct sibling of an element. For example, this is the immediate sibling of H1. This is not the immediate sibling. And so the adjacent selector is used to select, for example, I want to select this paragraph alone. This one alone. I will use the adjacent selector. I will say this H1, find the adjacent sibling. Okay? And this is the adjacent sibling of H1. And so to do that, we use the plus sign. Okay, we use the plus sign. And so when we preview this on our browser, what you will notice is that it went and styled this is a paragraph only. This is a paragraph. Do you get that? So we're saying add its color blue and font size 18. So let's go ahead and make this 38. And see that that's the only one that would increase. And so another example is, remember, this is a UL, that is another listing, and this is a class selector. So what we did is to say this is a class. So a class is this. So we use dots, the name of the class. So we are saying that the class that has this on other listing that have this class ID, this class name, task, go there and select the adjacent sibling of paragraph. And if you look at this now, the adjacent sibling is this one. This is one more paragraph. If we go to the listing, we'll notice that this is one more paragraph is the only thing that is selected there. This one was not selected. And so the adjacent sibling selector is used to select the adjacent sibling of any element. And so for example, if I have this now and I say let's say BR, I'll close it. Let me see HR. And I want to, there's a paragraph here. Hello, this is a paragraph. Okay, now I want to select this paragraph. All I simply need to do is to pick the HR and add the plus sign and say go there, put the color, make it let me say red. Okay, I think something obvious. And so you see, so it goes. So even if I go ahead and add another paragraph, it will not pick it. All right.